is Monday morning, and I am feeling rough this morning. My stomach's pretty upset, so I'm going to try to have a little bit of breakfast and see if I feel any better. I've got a bagel here with some strawberry cream cheese. I've got myself some coffee, so hopefully after I eat this and wake up a little bit, I'll feel better. But right now, I'm feeling rough. Hopefully I think there's a stomach bug going around. I think I saw somebody posting on Facebook about it. I hope that that's not what's going on here, because that is the worst kind of torture. So, fingers crossed that this makes me feel better. Alright, you guys, so I am waiting for Austin to walk in the door from school. Should be here any minute. We're going to take him down to Kohl's to try on a few things. I have a few Christmas gifts that I want to get him in terms of clothing, but he's kind of between sizes right now, so I'm not really sure what size to buy him. So we're going to go, he's going to try on a few things to get an idea of what size he's wearing, so that when I go and finish up my Christmas shopping this week, I'll know what size to get him. So I'm going to take you guys along. We're going to head to Kohl's, and then we'll come home and have dinner. I think we're just going to do leftovers tonight. We still have spaghetti from the other night that Robbie made. It was venison spaghetti, so we'll probably just have some leftovers, maybe watch a movie or something. Oh, there he is now. He's not going to be excited. He hates shopping. Hey, Austin, say hi.
Hi.
So I was just telling the vlog, we're going to go to Kohl's so you can try on some things. Are you excited?
You'd rather be anywhere else?
No, not anywhere.
It's not your favorite
be in your
thing.
room playing video games?
How was school?
Good.
Did you have any tests today?
Worked on one.
What, for what?
ELA.
Language?
Yeah.
Cool. Was it hard?
No.
You just didn't have a chance to finish it?
No, it's a two-part thing.
Oh.
One is one day, one is the next day.
Oh, okay. So did you have a good day then?
Uh-huh.
Alright. Have a snack, and then we're gonna go.
Okay.
Alright, so we have a very dreary, rainy day, but we are gonna go into Kohl's now so that Austin can try on some stuff. You don't need any clothes, so you're probably not gonna try anything
We
on.
will see. You always buy me something.
He loves to shop, don't
You can't help yourself. You love buying me clothing.
You are the one that loves to shop.
I can't help it that I can convince you to buy me anything I want. It's a skill.
Now it's a challenge. I'm not buying you nothing.
We will see.
Nike ones, Austin?
No. I could see him wearing those. Let's see. I'll find you some.
These are the ones you like back here.
Yeah. $40. Perfect.
Yeah, but they're on sale.
Oh, well, these ones aren't. I think that's jackets.
Track jackets and joggers.
Oh, okay. I didn't see the $21.99. But this is regular 40.
Those aren't the ones that are on sale. These are.
Oh, but that's not the ones that. Oh wait, these ones. These ones would work. Oh, these are $40 too.
Let's just figure out what you like so we can figure out sizing. I'm not necessarily going to buy from here anyway.
Well,
which ones do you like?
these ones.
Those ones?
Yeah.
Okay, figure out which size you
no,
want to
that's not the
try.
right thing.
The jackets are nice.
I grabbed the wrong thing. This isn't even.
We know. He has one.
It doesn't have that one.
It's basically
Yes,
the
this
exact
one.
same thing, just multiple colors.
Yeah, that one's better.
Let's see. How's it fit?
Good. I don't like the shirt.
You don't like the shirt because you don't like the hood.
No, I just don't like the way it looks.
How do the pants fit?
Good.
And those are the mediums?
Not these ones though.
You don't like those.
They just don't feel right with this band here.
Okay. All about comfort, right?
Yeah, that's kind of the point of sweatpants.
He has a point. So pants
Alright.
are meant for comfort.
You want to try these other ones?
Not really.
Try them anyway. Here. Alright. So it is Monday. Eric and I are getting ready to sit down and do our little budget meeting so we can figure out our budget for the week. But the first thing I need to do is figure out how much I am saving this week. So one of the savings challenges that I have started is Saveopoly, which is so cute. Essentially, it's like a little Monopoly game, and you go around the board and figure out how much you save each week. So on Mondays, I roll the dice, move spaces and put the amount that I land on in savings. This is from Mother, Me, and I. I'll link it down below. It was a $3 printable, I think. I started it a while ago and actually just kind of scrapped it and decided to restart when I redid the budget. So what I do is I use my little free dice roller app here, select 2 dice rather, and then I hit play, and then I roll, and I got 5. So last time I was here on chance. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $30 to save this week. So I'm going to mark that and write it up here, and then that is what I will transfer to savings. So that's what I'm going to start my budget with, my $30 savings, and then move on from there. But I just wanted to share this with you. It's super cute. Okay, so we are trying out cash this week for various things. So I just filled out this little cash envelope breakdown for December in my budget by paycheck workbook from the Budget Mom. And then I cut out this little slip of paper that writes down, or that allows you to write down the denominations that you need. So Eric's going to take this with him tomorrow and withdraw the money because he works right down the road from the bank. And he'll bring this home for me, and I'll be able to stuff my cash envelopes tomorrow. It is 8:15 at night, and I am literally falling asleep sitting up on the couch. So I'm going to go ahead and end this vlog here and make it an early night. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. You know how much I appreciate it. Really, truly. Thank you. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.